Beautiful morning to my lovely Patayans. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Dear kids, this is your mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher. As you know, we are doing jumping of numbers, which is known as skip counting in mathematics. So beta, we have done skip counting in tens and in hundreds in previous class. So today we will do skip counting in thousands and mental maths corner and review exercise of chapter 2, more about numbers. So let's begin the class. This is our activity 9. Now activity 9 is saying complete the following skip counting in thousands. Now we need to do the skip counting in thousands. So we need to change the number which is at thousands place. First of all we will write down the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now 5 is at the thousands place. So we need to add 1 in this number. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the next number will be 6,800. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. So the next number will be 7,800. And 7 plus 1 is 8. Therefore the next number is 8,800. Now in next part also again we will write the places. Now the number is 4,299 and 4 is at the thousands place. So we need to add 1 in the digit which is at thousands place, means 1 plus 4. So the next number will be 5,299. Now we need to add 1 in 5. So the next number is 6,299. Now again we need to add 1 in thousands place digit. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7,299. Now kids, by following the same method you will do third and fourth question on your own. Dear kids, this is our mental maths corner and the question is fill in the blanks. The successor of the greatest 4-digit number is, beta, we need to find the successor of greatest 4-digit number. For this, first of all we need to find the greatest 4-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, 4 times 9 means 9,999. For finding its successor we need to add 1 in it. So here we will add 1 in 9,999. 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10. Means successor of 9,999 is 10,000. We will write the answer in the book. Successor of greatest 4-digit number is 10,000. Now dear kids, the next part is saying the smallest 3-digit number formed using the digits 3, 5 and 0. We need to form smallest 3-digit number by using these digits. Now we need to identify the smallest digit which is 0, but we know 0 doesn't have its own value. So we can't start a number with 0. So we need to move on the second smallest digit which is 3. So first of all we will write 3. Then 0 will come and then 5 will come. Now next number is asking, next C part is asking 8,484 round off to the nearest tens is. Yes beta, we need to round off this number to the nearest tens. Now 10 has 1 0 in it, so we need to look at 4. Now 4 is smaller than 5, so it will be round into the lower 10. And in which two tens 84 comes? 80 and 90. So 8,484 will round off to 8,480. Now the predecessor of 4,567 is. For finding the predecessor we need to subtract 1 or we can go in counting 1 before. So the predecessor of 4,567 is 4,566. Now 5,302 ones. What number it will frame?
For writing the number, kids, first of all we will write down the places. Now at ones 2 is there. Now at tens nothing is given, so we will write 0. Now at hundreds place 3 is there, so we will write 3. And at thousands place 5 is there, so we will write 5. So we got our number, which is 5302. Dear kids, this is our review exercise. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. In ascending order, you know you need to arrange the number from smallest to largest. So, we will identify the smallest number by looking at the first digit from the left hand side. Now 4 is the smallest digit. So first of all we will write 4567. Then 5 is the smallest. So we will write 5467. Now 6 is smaller. So we will write 6457. And last 7 is greatest. So we will write 7654. Now in second question beta, it is asking arrange the following numbers in descending order. In descending order, you need to move from largest to smallest. By following the same pattern, you will do it yourself. Now third question is form the smallest and greatest numbers using the following digits. The digits are given over here. You need to form the smallest and greatest digit. First of all, for forming smallest digit, we need to look at the smallest digit. 0 is the smallest digit, but we can't start a number with 0. So we will take second smallest digit, which is 1. 1 after then 0 will come. Then 4 is smaller, so 4 will come. Then 9 is the greatest, so 9 will come at last. Now we will form the greatest number. In this, the greatest digit, which is 9, will come first, then 4, then 1, and then 0. In the same pattern, you will do B part yourself. Now in fourth question beta, it is asking write whether the numbers are even or odd. Now beta, for finding the numbers, first of all we need to recall the even and odd digits. Even digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we need to look at the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is odd, so the number will be odd. If the ones place digit is even, so the number will be even. Now the ones place digit is 2. Now tell me, is 2 odd or even? Even, correct. So the number will also be even. Now in B part, the ones place digit is 1. Now tell me, is 1 odd or even? Odd, correct. So the number will also be odd. Now kids, moving on to seventh question. This is complete the following pattern using skip counting. Now we need to identify. See, here the number was 729. Here it is 739. See, the tens place digit got changed. That means it is the skip counting of tens. So we will change the tens place digit by 1. So the next number will be 749 and the next number will be 759. Now the next is 6. So 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So the next number is 769. Now kids, in the same pattern you will do B and C on your own. Now the HOTS question is asking write the symbol. We need to put these symbol as per the sums given. See, now 9267 and 9276. Which one is greater? This one. So we will put sign to this one. Now beta C, second. Here it is written 300 multiplied by 4 and 1200. Here you need to multiply. 300 multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 2 zeros. So we will write 2 zeros. Means this and this is equal. So we will put here equals to sign. Now 4561 and 4351. 4561 is bigger, so we will put a sign. Now beta, in the same manner, 4th, 5th and 6th question you will do on your own.
Dear kids, Today we have completed activity 9 mental maths corner and review exercise of chapter 2 more about numbers. So your homework is to complete activity 9 mental maths corner and review exercise of chapter 2. Goodbye.